Hello everyone, welcome to a new session of Saurav Sir's classes. And as you know, we are in these sessions we are discussing about the WBCS 2019 questions in our best. So now in this question, the first question is in this series, the question number 14, which is the fill in with a suitable conjunction. And the sentence is, he advanced dash he could. It may be until he could or while he could. While is never could be the answer, or as also never been an answer, because he advanced as he could. It's not making a complete sentence. So if we make a complete sentence, then okay, as they say advanced, that means it's a past thing, or you can say past participle. So in this case, the right answer is as far as. Okay. So the right answer in this case, he advanced as far as he could. Because he advanced until he could, that sentence is not only completed. So if we make a complete sentence, the answer is he advanced as far as he could. Now let's move to the next question. And here the question is, my watch is 5 minutes. Is it slow, lately, fast, or late? So fast we can remove lately here. So it will be slow, fast, late. So 5 minutes past, it not making the sentence. It will be like the watches will be die. Okay. So the right answer is my watch is 5 minutes slow. Now let us move to the next question. Now here's the question. They said let's meet dash next week. The answers are sometime, as well as sometimes. So first we can remove those two answers, because there is in English dictionary there are no such type of same word. It will be some divided and time divided. Okay. So is it sometime or sometimes? Now first we go for sometime, where the sometime means someday or at some time, at some point, during, in the course of, and it's the word you want to use in this case. Okay, because the sometimes means, it means occasionally. Sometimes means, I can write here, occasionally, from time to time, now and then. Okay, we can use sometime in this case. There is just a change of s. Sometimes means occasionally, or we can say the from time to time. Okay, but sometime means it's some day, at some time, or at some point. So for this question, the right answer is sometime. Let's meet sometime next week. So that's all for today, guys. Or we can use another question from this course. So that's the question. The question is basically we can say it's a formation of sentence by no sooner and then. And you must know, no sooner is only used with the past perfect in the sentence that starts with no sooner, and the past simple tense in the next sentence. Okay, so according to tense after no sooner, do, does, or did is used with this effect. Verb is changed accordingly. Okay, so in this case question, the answer is did. No sooner did the sun rise than the fog disappeared. Okay, so right now that's all for today, guys. In our next session we will discussing from the question number 18. If you have any complaint or any suggestion about our classes, you can just WhatsApp or make a SMS in this number, or make a call in this number 9836793076. Okay, or if you need any guidance or any type of help in case of your preparation, you can just mail us in Saurav Sir classes.com. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for being with us. Happy learning.